My name's Shane Raffensperger. I'm from Raffensperger Enterprise, Mannheim, Pennsylvania. We're a general contractor and do excavating and home building, new construction and remodeling, and commercial construction. We have two JCB pieces of equipment. We have a JCB 85Z2 and a JCB teleskid. We use them for excavating on our new home projects, commercial construction. We use them for grading and layout of new homes, and then also for building rock walls. We use our Encon tilt rotator to build rock walls with the 85Z2. We use our teleskid for backfilling foundations, doing sewer underslab work. The teleskid comes in handy because we use it to boom over existing foundation walls where we couldn't reach with a standard skid loader. We even use it to backfill sewer lines and cross trenches where a standard skid loader couldn't do that. We also have been able to climb out of holes where you can't do that with a general skid loader. It's a lot more balanced and stable. The 85Z2 is a zero tail swing machine. We use that to get in tight spots, like the job that we're on here, where we're setting a rock wall beside an existing foundation. Today we're out here using the JCB 85Z with the Encon tilt rotator. We have an integrated grab on here that we can pick up pipe and lay our fabric around with it, and even move smaller rocks. And we also have a grab attachment that we use to set our rocks with. We have multiple different buckets and attachments that we use to set the rock walls and to grade and backfill. The tilt rotator allows us to get into tight spots, as well as with the 85Z2. We can get into tight areas just because we have a zero tail swing machine. The other item that we use on this machine a lot is the angled dozer blade. We use this to backfill foundations and even cut and level out building sites. We got our JCB 85Z and our teleskid from Stephenson equipment in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. We use them for all our service and maintenance. They've been great, giving us machines if we need a loaner, if we ever have any issues, but generally with the teleskid and the 85, we don't have any issues. We've been able to use this machine for the past couple months. We just got it here in the last year, and we've been able to put it to work and got a couple hundred hours on it already. So this machine, we got this from Stephenson. Our salesman's Brad. He helped us out with designing this and picking out all the features and options that we would need for our construction projects. We got it from the factory with additional hydraulic lines for the tilt rotator, and it was tilt rotator ready. The other unique feature that we have on this machine is graphite impregnated bushings, and that allows us to go 500 hours between greasing intervals on certain areas of the machine. Previous machines we've had, it's around 8 to 10 hours of greasing intervals, so we have a significant savings in cost there. On the inside of the machine, we have auto shutdown, which is nice for if we're working on jobs that save some fuel, and especially with the rising fuel prices. So the 85Z, the nice thing with it is it's really roomy. I'm 6'2", so it's hard to find a machine that fits. The other thing that we have is we have a large data screen in this that shows us a lot of info on the machine, runtime, and we can use it for job tracking as well. And then we even have our Encon joysticks installed on this machine. So everything, most of our attachments is done just with the quick coupler. We don't have to hook up hydraulic lines, except for the grab that we're using today. And we have a quick disconnect on our bucket. And another new feature that they put on this machine is this has a dozer blade that you can actually, it's a four-way function, just like a joystick and a skid loader, to control the dozer blade. With the JCB, we'd recommend it to other contractors, excavators. We really like the functionality of the machine, the controls, and the smoothness of the controls. And we've ran other machines and find that this machine is more comfortable to operate and even more economical to run.